Yeah, welcome again to another episode of 7 important things you must know about Jamb Utme. Of course, don't let your Jamb results shock you in 2026 because this is very, very important. Jamb Utme exam is not just a computer-based test. It's also a psychometric test. What did I mean? That Jamb Utme exam is not only testing for your cognitive domain, meaning it's not just testing for your book knowledge, it's also testing for your behavioral skill, your behavioral style. Now, Jamb is not just setting a standardized objective test, which all of us are just used to. Fine. Over the years, we've come to discover with a lot of research that many people's Jamb results shock them because they are not adequately prepared or aware about the examination they are taking. What does this mean? This exam requires you not just to prepare academically, but to prepare like you are preparing as an undergraduate to gain admission to study the course of your choice. So Jamb Utme set standardized objective tests that test both your book knowledge and your behavioral style. Oh, you are asking me already, how possible is this? Have you not wondered how 180 scores gives you 400 marks? It means that all the questions does not even carry equal marks in the first place. Some questions carry 1 mark, some carries 2 marks, some carries 3 marks, as the case may be. And that's why in our previous episode, we talked about the syllabus. In the syllabus, we'll have got to know those topics that are important. Not all the topics are important. In fact, there are some topics even in the syllabus that probably you might not even find any question coming out of them in your own examination. But there are some topics that year in, year out, you always find questions under them in your examination. So that also means that those questions that you are seeing consistently under those topics are not just there to test for your book knowledge. They are also to test either you know what you are doing or you are ready to be an undergraduate or not. So I want to appeal to every candidate writing this forthcoming UTME examination. Are you truly ready for this exam? Or you want to be shocked by your Jamb Utme results? Please prepare adequately, prepare emotionally, prepare such that you can answer a question as fast as possible. Don't get into the examination all and be doing tokeji, bala. No, not at all. If you must succeed in this forthcoming examination, then you need to prepare adequately, prepare with past questions. Know how many minutes you spend on answering each of the questions. Get preparative test softwares that can prepare you adequately. Don't just use those software to practice. Use them as a tools for preparation for the forthcoming examination. By this, I believe you will not be shocked by your Jamb Utme results. See you in the next episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. God bless you. Bye.